of this number? Hello,
Hello?
Priyal.
Yes?
Did you do the prime factorization of this number?
No, sir.
Do it अभी के अभी.
Okay.
सब लोग जो मार्क क्वेश्चन करो भी सॉल्व ट्राई करो एक बार. लेवल 2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर जो मैंने हाईलाइट किया क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट इज द नंबर मल्टीप्लाई बाय which number is multiplied by 8192? Sorry, which is smallest number by which 8192 must be divided so that the question is a perfect cube? Try the question. What you have to do, you have to prime factorize it. Do the prime factorization of 8192. Aditya, Zubair.
Sir, I have a doubt. In exercise 2,
मुझे
level
क्वेश्चन
2.
बोल दिया कर, इतना गाना मत गाया कर.
Sir, I'm not
इतनी बार बोला
singing.
है मैंने तुझसे सीरियसली क्वेश्चन. यू आर सिंगिंग. मुझे सीरियसली क्वेश्चन बोला करना. सर आई हैव अ डाउट इन एक्सरसाइज 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर. क्या तू पूरा इतना स्टार्ट. हाँ बोल क्या है.
Sir, my actual doubt is that when I turned to find out the cube root of 210125, I ended up coming to a number
210
125.
125. Okay.
I came upon a number 1681 which was not being divided by any number prime.
Did you try finding the square SCF of 1681?
No, sir.
Sorry. You are trying to divide 1681 and you're not able to
I
further
am not
divide it.
able to further divide 210125 because of
Which question is this?
one.
Which part?
It is exercise 2, level 2, question number 7.
Wait, I'll see. As of now, do the question number 5th. I'm checking it. Okay.
Sir, in this slide, the second last question.
हाँ Baba, I got it. I'll solve it. अभी के लिए solve the question number 5th, which I have highlighted. Okay.
Okay, sir, I have already solved that, I suppose.
Okay, that's really nice. Wait कर 5 मिनट. हाँ बिना चेंबर.
Sir, you told that to see the link. Sir, you told that the answer key is sent in the group. Sir, I didn't find it in the group.
Ask your coordinator.
Okay, sir.
Which center you are?
Chembur.
हाँ तो ask your coordinator about the answer key. He'll provide you. Okay.
So my father is talking to him only.
Okay. What did he tell?
Sir, he was telling that he will repeat and he will send it again.
Just drop him a message, reminder message. Okay. हाँ प्रियल. Priyal.
Hello?
Yes, tell me.
What do we do after getting the prime factorization?
Okay, see everyone. I did the prime factorize and 2 is appearing 13 times. Okay, so in the question, what you have to do? Wait. I did the question mistaken, Shad. Sorry, it's a perfect cube. Wait. So basically prime factoration से support करेंगे. What is happening? You are getting 2 into 2 how many times? 13 times. Am I correct? So in the case of cube root, what you have to do, you have to make groups of 3. With any number which is repeating thrice, you have to make the number group of हाँ शौनक यार तो सब लोग हाथ नीचे कर लो एक बार मुझे बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है रुको 2 मिनट रुको see I've shared a screen in which what I did I just prime factorized 8192 now what is happening you have to after the prime factorization of 8192 you are getting 13 times 2 that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 13 times what you have to do अरे हाथ नीचे कर लो 2 मिनट what you have to do in the case of cube root क्या करना होता है you have to make a groups of 3 so see I created the group 4 you can get 4 groups and 1 2 is alone now in the question you have been asked by which number you should divide matlab removing the number so you can easily see so for making it a perfect cube you have to remove this extra 2 so my answer is 2 you have to remove this extra 2 had it been this number was 4 so हम क्या निकाल लेते we should have been removing 4 in this case we should be removing 2 किसको इस क्वेश्चन में डाउट है तो you can ask me or raise your hands अब जिसको प्रॉब्लम है ना you can ask हाँ राजवीर
Sir, can you explain what to do again?
see prime factorization किया सबसे पहले now
Yes,
you
sir.
have to make a group of 3 so see first group second group third group fourth group अभी अकेला एक single 2 बच गया okay
Yeah.
so question में था by which number you have to divide मतलब you have to remove okay so ये extra जो 2 है that is इसे निकाल दो
Okay, sir.
okay
Yes.
Harshal
Hello, sir.
hmm.
Sir, I have a doubt in exercise 2, level 1, question 7.
करते हैं
Sir, how to solve that question?
which question it is
Exercise 2, level 1, question 7.
which question it is can you please speak the question
676.
what is the
X.
square root of 676
No, sir. The square root of 676 x raised to the power of 4, y raised to the power of 6, and z square.
what is the square root of 676
Sir, I am solving it.
try it fast ना तभी तो you will do हाँ शौनक शुभम ठाकुर
Sir, that now you solved that question. That answer will be 2 now.
yes
Okay.
Priyal
Sir, I did the same thing for the next question, sixth question. So after doing the prime factorization, I got 4, 2, 2, 5, and 2, 3. So what do we do?
what do you have to find square or cube root or which root
I have to find the perfect cube.
so you have to make pairs of groups of 3 have you made the pairs
So the pair should be of the same number, like one pair.
exactly same numbers
So I'm left with whatever I'm left with. I have to multiply those, and then that.
you are talking about a 6th question that is 3600
Yes.
so you must be getting this 2 into 2 into what is the factorization
There are 2 4s,
Hmm.
2 5, and 2 3.
okay So in the case of cube root, you have to make a pair of three groups of three. So
Yes.
only you can make a one pair.
Yes.
Find the
Okay.
smallest number which when multiplied with the, okay. So 1, 2 is extra left.
Yes.
So you have to create a group of three. So you have to multiply by 2 more 2s. So 2 2s, you have these are 2 5s. So you have to take 1 more 5. There are 2 3s. So you have to take 1 more 3. So your answer is 2 into 2 into 5 into 3.
Okay.
Okay. Yashashvi.
So I have a doubt
Sixth वाला
in
सिक्स्थ वाला भी कर लो. सिक्स्थ वाला जिसका हो गया है सिक्स्थ वाला ट्राई करो.
Hello. Yes, I am audible.
Yes.
So I have a doubt in 7th question.
क्या हुआ 7th में? सेम क्वेश्चन है, फैक्टराइज किया.
Yes, sir.
What is the prime factorization?
26.
क्या 26? You are talking about 7th ऊपर वाला. Okay. Wait, I am getting back to you. Just keep your hand raised. Aditya Dubey.
Sir, the answers can I tell, sir?
नहीं,
दोनों का आंसर सर मालूम है मेरे को.
मुझे जान के कोई फायदा नहीं है ना. तुम लोग बस खुद के लिए आंसर सही निकाल लो, बहुत है. श्रेयांश पाठक. Shreyansh, I'm trying to unmute you, but it's not happening. Harshil.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, in question 7, you told to find the
एक
square.
सेकंड, एक मिनट रुक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 किसको पूछना है? एक्सरसाइज 2 लेवल 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. आरुष. दिशिता. हेलो दिशिता.
Hello, sir.
You also have the same doubt?
Yes, sir. Question number 7.
Wait. और किसी को कोई डाउट है? You can raise your hands right now. Harshil and Dishita, just wait. Meet.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? You have same doubt?
Yes, sir.
ये जितने भी अभी हाथ खड़े हैं ना, उनको सबको सेम डाउट होना चाहिए, तभी I'll talk to them. ठीक है? That's fine. ठीक है. See, the number is 676. 676, x की power 4, y की power 6, z की power 2. Now, you have to find the square root. So what you can do, you can find a different square root. So for 676, you will get the square root as 26. For x to the power of 4, you will get x to the power of 2. For y to the power of 6, you will get y to the power of 3. For z to the power of 2, you will get z. So your answer is 26. 26 into x square into y cube into z. This is the final answer of our square root. यही तो प्रॉपर्टी हमने पढ़ी थी कि इसको कि रूट ऑफ a into root of b is root of ab. You can find the roots differently. सबका अलग अलग रूट निकाल लो and then you can. अब इसके बाद किसी को डाउट है, they can raise your hands. बाकी लोग अपने हाथ डाउन कर लो प्लीज. कुशाग्र.
सर 7th क्वेश्चन में जो y6 है ऊपर के क्वेश्चन में, जैसे कि 6 7 6 x4
हाँ,
y6,
आगे बता दे, आगे बता.
तो सर y3 कैसे है उसका नीचे?
y6 का स्क्वायर रूट y is 3.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
कुशाग्र हाथ नीचे कर लेना. आदित्य.
हाँ सर, माय डाउट इज दैट आप सर
देख
आपको
तू
सब
फिर तू गाना गा रहा है. सर माय डाउट इज द सीधे सीधे बोला सर, ये ऐसे क्यों हुआ वैसे क्यों हुआ.
अच्छा सर ठीक है.
हाँ.
सर ये सब आपको सब भेजना है क्या अभी?
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
Group पर?
तुम्हें हो रहे हैं सॉल्व, दैट्स फाइन, एंड इफ यू वांट एनी, डू यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन आस्क मी।
सर वो तो मेरा पूरा एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व हो गया है।
तो फिर आगे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर दे, एक्सपोनेंट्स। वेट मत कर। श्रेयांश पाठक।
Sir,
Hmm?
sir, I have doubt in level 2 first question.
What is the doubt? Tell me.
Sir, that community collects 90 rupees.
Okay, wait.
92
I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Samriddhi.
I did not understand the exercise 2 level 2 8th question.
I send it on the group now. Did you check it? Samriddhi, am I audible? Did you check it?
I did not check it.
Just check it. Manthan.
Sir, I couldn't understand this sum you did about that 7x thing. The 676x, y, the thing that you did.
Why didn't you understand? Tell me.
Sir, I couldn't understand it only.
What do you have to find in this?
Sir, I didn't knew that only. Sir, I was there, but I couldn't understand
That's
what you
fine.
were
If
saying.
you-
A little.
If that's fine, if
Sir,
you
your
don't know
voice
the
was a
question.
little cracky. So.
Listen. If you don't know the question, there is no point of knowing the answer.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Anushka.
Sir, I had a doubt in level 2 6th question.
Which is 6th question? Can you speak it?
What?
Can you speak it?
Find the smallest number which when multiplied with 3600 will make.
What is the prime factoration of 3600?
Sir, I got 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by
In the
5
case of,
multiplied
yes, Anushka, listen. In the case of cubes, you have to take, every number should be like repeat thrice. Now,
Yes,
since
sir.
you have 4 2s, there's a one group of 3 and 1 2 is alone left.
Yes.
So you have to take 2 more 2s to group it.
What,
Okay?
sir?
You need 2 more 2s to make a group of 3.
Yes, sir.
You have 2 5, so how much do you need more?
Sir, your voice is cracking.
You have 2 5s. How much 5s do you know? Or do you want more to make a group? Anushka, am I audible?
No, sir. I cannot hear you.
Wait. Hello, Anushka.
Yeah, sir.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible.
So, you made a group of 3 2s. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
A single 2 is left. So, how many 2s you require more?
2.
2. Okay. You have 2 5s. So, how many 5s you require more?
Sir, 1 5.
Okay. You have 2 3s. So, how many 3s you require more?
1.
So, basically, the number you require is 2 2s, 1 5, and 3. Basically, 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Dishita.
Sir, I had a doubt in the same question. We can add numbers like that only if we want them as extra.
You don't have add नहीं करना, multiply करना है.
How much we can take it in the factorization if we want them.
Yes, yes.
We can take it. And then, sir, the answer will be the we have to group them into 3s and then their multiplication, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Aditya Dubey.
Sir, have you written under root 676x to the power 4 y to the power 6 z square?
Someone asked a question. I have shared it.
Sir, have you written under root 6.
Yes, I have written the same thing.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Shreyansh,
Yes, sir.
which question you were asking?
Level 2 first question.
Level 2 first question. Wait. The society collected rupees 92.16 each, collected as many paisa as there were members. Okay. So, hello, Shreyansh, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
For example, there are 10 people. Okay. And you collected from each person, you collected 10 rupees. How much money do you have?
100 rupees.
For example, if there are 9 persons and you collected 9 rupees for each person, how many money you have?
81 rupees.
कैसे आ रहा है ये 90 81 and 100 कैसा आया?
So by multiplying the number of people to the number of money.
Absolutely. So in the question it has been given, let the number of people be x and you are collecting the x rupees from each person. So what will be the total money?
X square.
X square, and x square is equal to 92.16. Okay, x square is equal to 92.16. Now find the value of x. You got the
Okay, sir.
question?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes, sir.
Rajveer,
सर मेरे को लेवल 1 7 सम नहीं आ रहा है.
अभी समझाया था ना, सॉल्यूशन शेयर किया था.
सर वो 26 कैसा आया?
676 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है 26.
ओके
x की
सर.
पावर 4 का स्क्वायर रूट x की पावर 2, y की पावर 6 का स्क्वायर रूट y की पावर 3, z की पावर 2 का स्क्वायर रूट z की पावर 2. ओके, आदित्य दुबे.
सर अगर एक तरफ x स्क्वायर है और दूसरी तरफ मान लो 100 है, तो अगर हम लोगों को x निकालना होगा तो x स्क्वायर है वो स्क्वायर उस तरफ जाके स्क्वायर रूट हो जाएगा ना, इक्वल के उस तरफ.
एग्जैक्टली.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
हाँ, तो दिस इज द लास्ट कॉल. डज एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट्स इन दिस एक्सरसाइज? दिशिता. हाँ दिशिता.
Sir, I didn't get the level exercise to level 2 question number 2.
The area is the rectangular field whose length is 12 has its equal to the. Okay, so the first equation is like let the length and breadth be. नहीं ऐसा भी नहीं करते. Is a rectangle whose length is twice. Let the breadth be x. So what is length? 2x. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Width is x, so length will become 2x.
Yes, sir.
Now the has this perimeter equal to the perimeter of square field. Wait. What is the perimeter of this rectangle?
It's equal to the perimeter of the square field.
In the terms of x, what is the perimeter of this square rectangular field?
2x plus x.
हाँ. दोबारा निकालो. एरिया पेरीमीटर ऑफ निकाला. मैं 4th क्लास में मैं डिमोट कर दूंगा. मैं बता रहा हूँ. What is the perimeter of this square field having width of x and length of 2x? Dishita. Hello. कहाँ? Dishita. Hello. Advik.
Yes, sir. सर ये क्वेश्चन है ना सर 8 स्क्वायर इंटू 8 स्क्वायर रूट इंटू 8 स्क्वायर रूट इक्वल्स टू x. सर तो मैं ऐसे सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ 8 का स्क्वायर रूट निकालो फिर दूसरे 8 का स्क्वायर रूट निकाल के मल्टीप्लाई कर लो.
What is root 2 into 2?
Yes, sir.
What is root 2 into root 2?
So root 1 into root 2 equals to root 1 2.
क्या?
नहीं sir, root 8 into root 8 equals to
मैं
x.
पूछ रहा हूँ what is root 2 into root 2?
Sir, root 2 into root 2. Sir, it is 1, right?
वन चेक कर, चैप्टर नोट चेक कर फटाफट. हाँ बोल.
Sir, how can we solve the 7th and 8th one?
Which exercise level?
Exercise 2 level 1.
Exercise 2 level 1. Okay. Find a. अरे इसमें solve 8th and which you are talking about 8th and
7th and 8th.
7th तो अभी solve के दिखाया.
Oh, okay. And the 8th one?
8th one in the same which is 7th solve किया था.
Okay. Thank you.
कैसे solve किया था 7th वाला? Will you tell me please?
Sir, actually, I didn't see the picture. So can you just show it again so I can just see it again?
मतलब तुम्हें इतने सही से क्या बोलूँ मैं तुम लोगों से, मतलब हाँ सॉल्यूशन शेयर था, still you are asking the same question.
Sorry.
हाँ सर. सर मिल गया. सर आपने जो प्रॉपर्टी बताई थी ना सर, a का रूट.
What is root 2 into root 2? Tell me.
सर it's 2.
What is root 3 into root 3?
Sir 3.
What is root 4 into root 4?
Sir 4. So it's 8.
Okay, got it. Vedha,
What we have to do?
Vedha,
Hello. Sir, why did
hello Medha.
So what we have to do?
We have to complete the exercise of this chapter. What were you
Okay.
doing as of now?
Wi-Fi had gone.
So we're not there from last half an hour.
No, I was there till 7th question.
Okay, that's Riyansh.
Yes, sir. I didn't got the level 2 first sum.
Explain it now. You were there when I was explaining.
Sir, I didn't understood.
Were you there when I was explaining? Were you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
What did I explain?
Sir, but your voice was crackling.
No, what did I explain?
So you explained something. Sir, just here till let x be the.
You got the concept 10 square क्यों आया था, 9 square क्यों आया था? You got the
Yes,
concept?
sir.
See, it's simple. If you are borrowing x rupees from x person, total amount will be x square. Now the value of x square is given. X square is 92.16. I guess. Huh. The value of x square is 92.16. Just find the value of x. So basically,
we will find the square root of 90.
62.16. Correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anushka.
Sir, I had a doubt in level 2 7th question. I got the answer 13. Is it right?
Yeah, for answer key, you can have a. I don't know the answer exactly. Answer key, you can look out for the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. What you have to do, you have to factorize it and make a group of 3 numbers, 3 same numbers. Is that what you have done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, last call. Any doubt? Okay, so basically we have completed this chapter. Aryaman?
Yeah, can you explain that the square root of numbers and decimal forms again? I don't understand.
Worry, it won't be possible to explain it completely again. You could have come to the doubt lecture, na? There it was possible to explain. Right now it's
Look,
not possible.
I was just reading through the textbook,
Hmm.
but I couldn't like understand the illustrative example. From
I
the
did
way
this. I took the same example. Can you just look at your notes?
yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, either come on in the doubt lecture. Okay, right now it's not possible to take the complete example again. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. बहुत हो गया डाउट अब हाँ कुशाक जल्दी
Sir, can you please zoom this page?
इसमें क्या जूम करूं बुकलेट है तुम्हारे पास
Okay, sir. Thank you.
next chapter exponents next chapter लिखो exponents next chapter exponents okay so सबसे पहले basically what is the first लिखना what is the power what is the meaning a to the power of m a to the power of m means a is repeating m number of times okay a into a into a times meaning of a to the power of m m is called as exponents a is called as base m is called as exponents or power is called as base example दिया हुआ मैंने 2 to the power of 6 2 to the power of 6 means 2 into 2 into 2 how many times 6 times 2 to the power of 6 2 how many लिखो 2 to the power of 6 means how many times 6 times अब भाई इससे ज्यादा जूम पॉसिबल नहीं है स्क्रीन के बाहर चला जाएगा वो नेक्स्ट लिखना लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स नेक्स्ट लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स फर्स्ट लॉ नेक्स्ट लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स फर्स्ट लिखना लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स फर्स्ट लिखना प्रोडक्ट लॉ product law product law a to the power of m into a to the power of n this is equal to a to the power of m plus n a to the power of m into a to the power of n this will give you a to the power of m plus n I have given you example 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 4 it will become 2 to the power of 3 plus 4 3 plus 4 basically is 7 okay now a can be any number it can be any kind of number see the next example 5 by 6 to the power of 8 into 5 by 6 to the power of minus 9 it will give you 5 upon 6 whole power of 8 plus minus 9 5 upon 6 to the power of 8 into 5 upon 6 to the power of minus 9 so 5 upon 6 whole power of 8 plus if the base is same you will add the exponents 8 plus minus 9 copy the first product law first law is product law let's copy किसी को रेयांश हाँ रेयांश
Sir,
रेयांश
आपने yes sir. Sir, what did you did just now?
कहाँ था तू अभी
Sir, मैं disconnect हो गया था.
this is the starting of a new chapter exponents
Okay sir.
just copy the page फटाफट से
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
First law is product law. If base is same, you have to add the powers. Second is quotient law. Second one is quotient law. Second one is quotient law. A to the power of m upon a to the power of n. This will give you a to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. This will give you a to the power of m minus n. See the example. This is called as quotient law. See the example. 2 to the power of 8 divided by 2 to the power of 5. This is equal to 2 to the power of 8 minus 5. And what is 8 minus 5? 3. So the answer is 2 to the power of 3. See next example. 6 upon 5 to the power of 3. 6 upon 5 to the power of 7. So division, you have to take the difference of the exponent. So it will give you 3 minus 7. That is minus 4. Just write the example. Complete the chapter. This page. First law is product law. Second is law is quotient law. बता दूं किसी को डाउट है इसमें? Yes, Ariman.
Yeah, what was the name of the second law?
Quotient law. QUOTITENT.
Quotient law.
Okay. Anushka.
So I had a doubt in quotient law.
Yes.
The example what you had given, 2 to the power of 3 upon 2 to the power of 5. So
2 to the power of 8 upon 2 to the power of 5.
Oh, it is 8. I thought it is 5.
तो 8 में से मुझे बताना फिर 3 में से कुछ माइनस करेंगे 3 कैसे हो जाएगा? हाँ दिशिता.
Sir, in the quotient law, the first example, the two cube is the answer. So can we
to the power of 8 upon 2 to the power of 5. So 8 minus 5.
So 2 to the power of 3. So can we convert it and write it as 8?
Yes. Just explaining the properties. Okay, that's up to you. Mayank. Mayank. Mayank.
Sir, what is the first name law?
Product law.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
आरुष.
हाँ सर, क्वोशंट लॉ में वो नीचे वाला जो है ना एम एन और एन, वो एन बड़ा हो तो
कुछ भी हो हमेशा ऊपर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. सब्ट्रैक्ट करना आता है?
हाँ आता है, पर वो माइनस में जाएगा ना फिर.
हाँ किसी में भी जानते, तुम्हें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? जस्ट कीप इट एज m माइनस.
ठीक है.
माइनस है पॉजिटिव है बड़ा छोटा कुछ मतलब नहीं है, तुम्हें बस बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी याद हो. यस आर्यमान.
Can you go back to the quotient law page?
Aryaman, just increase your volume.
Yeah, in the quotient law, I didn't get was that like a division thing that those two? Can you just go back to that page real quick?
I can share you the notes later on. It's not possible right now to go back.
Okay, but like I didn't get what you meant by the It was
the basic
something...
property a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, which will give you a to the power of m minus n.
But how are you? Isn't there like two factors to that equation, or it's a fraction, right? So how are you making the fraction a single thing?
See, a can be any number. You don't have to look at the fraction. Just for the example I was showing you, my vision was to like make you understand the formula. I'm not trying to enter in the what is 6.5 to power, what is 6. My vision was to make clear that a can be any number. It can be rational, it can be irrational, it can be fraction, it can be decimal. It doesn't matter. That is why I have given you 2 examples. Okay.
But like in general,
Yeah.
that fraction you converted it to like just one, like a single line.
I didn't convert it fraction into. Yeah, you can say like that. If you want to understand like that, fine. I got your point.
Okay.
Okay.
But
You can
how?
say it in that way. Dishita,
Sir, what you have showed on the screen? What you have to do?
question solid. लिखा तो है evaluate.
Okay, sir.
आदित्य दुबे.
सर
हाँ.
इस क्वेश्चन का मेरा आंसर आया 3 into 5 to the power 3 into 5 cube. तो सर 3 into 5
3 into
cube भी
5
काफी.
cube.
यस सर.
इतना बड़ा नहीं आएगा. चेक करो. कुछ गलत किया तुमने. चेक करो.
2 minus 11.
अंधेरी, अद्विक.
Yes, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask you, sir, how do we remove a minus power, a negative power?
आगे पढ़ेंगे अभी, बट अभी कोई जरूरत नहीं है उसकी.
क्यों सर आपने तो लिखा इवैल्यूएट करो तो सर नेगेटिव पावर.
नंबर्स को यूज करना आता है ना. व्हाट इज -2 + 1?
सर व्हाट? सॉरी.
Okay, I got your point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just write this question, and I'm giving you one more property. Just write the question. People just write the question. I'm giving you one more property.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, there's no point of running that property right now. You can do it without that property. Just use the first and second law. That's more than. Hi, Shan Survey.
So is the answer 1
No.
to the question?
No. Real?
Sir, is the answer 15 for the question?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you.
Kushak.
सर इस क्वेश्चन में जैसे कि एक नंबर दिए 3 का पावर -3, तो सर माइनस हट के 1/3 का पावर 3 हो जाएगा ना?
वैसे हो जाएगा, बट उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. बिना उसके हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन.
सर थैंक यू.
आदित्य दुबे.
सर अगर इस वाले क्वेश्चन में दिया है 5 to the power -5, तो 5 to the power -5 को अगर हम लोग को 5 to the power 5 बनाना है तो 5 to the power -5 ऊपर जाएगा ना 5 to the power 5 बनाने.
उस लॉ की जरूरत नहीं है अभी. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू टू यूज फर्स्ट एंड.
सर उसके हिसाब से ही सर मेरा 375 आ रहा है.
बहुत गलत है एकदम. चेक करो. रियांश. रियांश. शुभम ठाकुर.
Sir, this question's answer is 15.
Correct. Riyansh.
Yes, sir. What do we have to do?
आज भी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हुई क्या अभी?
हाँ सर.
वैल्यू सॉल्व करना है क्वेश्चन. वैल्यू निकालनी है. Yes, for.
Sir, I got the answer.
That's very nice.
Thank you.
Smriti.
Sir, I did not understand the question.
So you don't have to understand the question. You have to solve it. Try करो. And use the first and second property only. कोई जरूरत नहीं है अभी कोई आगे की और. आंसर इज 15. बाकी लोग ट्राई कर लो फटाफट. चेक करो सॉल्यूशन. 25 को आई रिटन 5 स्क्वायर. आदित्य.
सर अगर हम बाकी लॉस भी लगाएंगे तब तो आंसर आ सकता है ना?
बिना लॉस के आंसर आ गया तो बाकी एक्स्ट्रा काम क्यों करना है फालतू?
सर लगा तो दिया है.
हो गया बस, बहुत हो गया. तो सब लोग फटाफट चेक करो, जिसको डाउट सारा पूछो. I just applied the first and second property. In the first step, I just applied the first property. In the numerator, the base of 3 is same. So minus 3 and plus 6 will become plus 3. In the denominator, 5 raised to 2 and 5 raised to minus 3. So it will become 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Sorry, by mistake. Wait. Wait यार, क्वेश्चन कॉपी करने में चल रहा है. Yes.
Sir, sorry. I was telling to you just stop sharing the screen now. So I was asking for the answer.
Yes, Dishita.
Sir, after you solve the 3 into numerator and the numerator and denominator use the first property. So after that, you took 5 above. You took 3 above and 5 with 3 to the power of 2 above and 5 to the power of minus 2 below to solve it.
I didn't get you.
Sir, I didn't understand. After you use the first property, what you did to get it?
I use the second property. 3 to the power of 3 upon 3 to the power of 2. It will give me 3 to the power of 3 minus 2.
Okay, so you're talking at different fractions.
Yeah, multiplication 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Same meaning, 1 into 2 upon 2 into 3.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter fractions are different or same. You just have to see the
Okay,
base.
sir.
Okay. Anushka,
So I didn't understood the second step of this fraction.
what is the problem? Tell me.
3 to the power
I
of
just
3
use the first
multiplied by
property.
5 to the power of minus 2.
What you didn't understand in that, tell me. I just use the first property. Now, base is same. You add two numerators. Base is 3 and 3. Base is same. So minus 3 plus 6. Minus 3 plus 6 will give you 3.
Okay, sir. Got it.
For the first step, I use the first property. For the second step, I use the second property. The first property, the base is 3 is same for two terms. So minus 3 plus 6 will give you plus 3. In the denominator, 5 is same. So plus 2 and minus 5 will give you minus 3. Yes, Rajveer?
Sir, I didn't understand the down part.
What is down part?
Uh, how did you did the evaluate there?
I just use the first and second property. Did you understand the first and second property?
No, sir.
So you should have asked earlier now. Basic questions आएंगे तो how will we be able to understand it?
Sir, I understood. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
अरे क्या हुआ? Tell me.
Sir, वो 5 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of minus 5 वो कैसे solve किया आपने sir?
First property क्या आती है? चेक कर. बेस सेम होता है तो पावर ऐड हो जाती है और 2 minus 5 कितना हो जाएगा? minus 3. समृद्धि. समृद्धि. हेलो
Sir,
समृद्धि. हाँ.
sir, I haven't been introduced to these concepts. I'm not in 7th grade. I'm in 6th grade. So I did not understand anything.
I didn't get you. You are in which grade?
6th grade.
That grade doesn't matter now. I taught you the properties. I'm applying the properties. Tell me what you didn't understand in it.
Sir, I did not hear the properties only.
No, I just shared the screen now. And asked you to write the properties, the law 1 and law 2. Did you have you written them?
No, sir.
That's fine. So first, next time I'll share the notes. Lecture recording will provide it. You can have it. Just have a look over the properties. So basically, simple use of first law and second law. I'm not asking you to write different laws. As of now, you can just have a simple law. Solve the second question. Again, a simple application of law. सब लोग सॉल्व करो. Yes, Mayank.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Yes, tell me.
M is to 5 into Z is to 6 upon N is to 5 into 1 is to 3.
L is to minus 3. L is to
Okay,
3
sir.
1 ये वाला है, okay? ईशान सुरवे
Sir, I got 1 minus 5 into
1 नहीं है,
M.
वो L है, L बाबा
Oh.
खुद तो थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस लगाओ ना कि M and Z लिखा हुआ तो 1 कैसे उसका L होगा ना.
L minus 5 into M into N minus 5 into Z 6.
L minus 3 आएगा, चेक कर. Real.
Sir, I got L raised to minus 3 into M raised to 5 into N raised to minus 5 into Z raised
Z
to...
raised to 6.
Yes.
Correct. सब लोग चेक करो सॉल्यूशन, जिसको दिक्कत आया दे कैन रेज योर हैंड्स. हाँ मैं
Sir, I want to cross check so I see
आंसर है ना, यू कैन चेक इट. Mayank, wait, your voice is breaking, just wait.
Sir. Sir.
हाँ वेट कर रहा हूँ, तो गाना गाएगा.
सर हम सर हम आंसर को m by n to the power m by n in brackets to the power 5 into 1 by.
I got your point. Correct, you can write in that way.
सर आपकी वॉल्यूम बड़ी कम है.
I got your point, you can write in that way.
Okay, sir.
Mayank Patil.
Sir, I sir, I rechecked that it is right of your answer in ebook. They are showing n raised to 5 is positive, not negative.
See, this answer is correct. I don't know about the booklet. Maybe there was a printing mistake. I'll just send me a screenshot, take the screenshot and forward me. If there's a printing mistake, I'll get it rectified, okay?
Okay, sir.
किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है सॉल्यूशंस में, मैंने कोई प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक कर दी हो, देख लो. आगे बढ़े. लास्ट 1 मिनट को जो कॉपी करना है कर लो. Yes.
Sir, do we have to note these examples in the notebook?
क्लास में जो पढ़ाया जाता है, you have to note it.
Okay, sir.
Third property लिखना, a to the power of m whole power n, it will give you a to the power mn. mn मतलब m into n. a to the power of m की whole power n, this will give you a to the power of mn. Top पे देखना. Example I have written 2 to the power of 3 to whole power 4. This will give you 2 to the power of 3 into 4, that is 12. Next example लिखना, 2 to the power of minus 1 by 2 into 6. It will give you 2 to the power of minus 3. Aditya.
Sir, what is the name of this property?
There's no name. Okay. सबका नाम नहीं है, ठीक है. a to the power of m whole power n, this will give you a to the mn. 2 to the power of 3 whole power 4, this will give you so let's keep it till third property only. ये नीचे दो क्वेश्चन है, कॉपी पेस्ट कर लो, साइड द क्वेश्चंस. आज के लिए इतना ही है. नेक्स्ट नीचे दो क्वेश्चन लिख लो. Yeah, you guys can take a screenshot of this page. If it's possible, you can take a screenshot of this page. आदित्य.
सर मुझे अभी के अभी दोनों आंसर्स मालूम है सर. 2 by
नहीं जानना, मुझे नहीं जानना.
Sir, can you copy down the fourth question and solve the can you copy down the fourth property and solve the two questions?
Sorry?
Can you copy down the fourth property and solve the two questions?
हाँ, you have to.
Okay, sir.
Okay. अभी best take a screenshot. Okay, कोई क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी इसलिए I'm telling you take a screenshot, वो थोड़ा faster रहेगा. Later on you can copy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
बोल दे भाई, आंसर बोल दे.
सर आंसर है 2 by 11 to the power.
और जो आंसर सही निकला ना पिटेगा तू.
सर आंसर सही रहेगा जैसे 2 by 11 in brackets 2 by 11 in brackets to the power 11. ठीक है सर, सही है ना?
हाँ सही है. नेक्स्ट होता है
और नेक्स्ट वाला 0.
क्या बात है, करके बैठा हुआ है तो सब कुछ. मयंक पाटिल. मयंक पाटिल. समृद्धि. वेट करो समृद्धि.
Sir, I don't have any question.
You raised your hand. हाँ, you can leave. चलो bye आज के लिए everyone. Just try these questions. Just go through the theoretical notes. If any of doubts, you can ask me later on. Ishan.
Sir, in the question 2, I have got it till 3 raised by 76 minus 3 raised by 100. What should I do next?
Your method is wrong. Read the property 1 and 2 first, then solve it.
law of
चलो ठीक है, बाय एवरीवन।